Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this 2018 Volkswagen Passat estate that we've got in at Lancaster Volkswagen. It's finished in the stunning metallic Atlantic blue colour. So it's a really dark blue metallic. Looks really nice in the sun especially. It's the diesel model and it's a 6-speed manual gearbox. Obviously, as it is the estate, you get a really big boot. We'll also give you a full Volkswagen 2-year approved use warranty with this car. And you'll also get 2 years roadside assistance should you need it. We'll give this car a full 142 point check, checking everything from tyres, fluids, engine, brake pads, etc. to make sure the car is in tip-top condition. If you do notice any wear and tear or scratches or marks that are not typical of the age or mileage of the car, then please let us know and we'll get it sorted for you. We do offer flexible financial services as well as part exchange welcome from any brand, and if you decide to buy this car on PCP with us, you'll also get 2 years free Volkswagen servicing, so plenty of peace of mind with this car. I'll take you inside the car now and tell you a little bit more about it. So you've got your 8-inch centre touchscreen, as it is the Passat. You've also got your clock there, really nice little feature. Really nice on this as well, you've got 2-zone climate control, so you and your passenger can be different temperatures. A really great system if you and your passenger always argue about temperatures, or you can have them the same. Heated front seats as well, really nice to have. You've got your digital dials. As you can see, it's done 64,205 miles, but it's in really good condition. As you can see, the steering wheel is in immaculate condition. Got adaptive cruise control on there as well, really nice. And then also the steering wheel is also heated, so really nice feeling, especially in them colder months. It does really work, and it tends to heat the whole of your hand, even the back of your hand. A really nice feature there. And if you're someone that likes to be in control of your car a bit more, the manual gearbox is perfect for that. Also got your electronic parking brake and auto hold, and then cup holders in here. You've also got your centre armrest that you can adjust, and you've also got a USB and an aux in there, so really nice. Another thing about this car is you've got your full panoramic sunroof that goes all the way across, all the way to the back seats as well, so really nice feature there that you can have. And you can also have the blind shut, so you've got a lot of different options with this car. Front and rear parking sensors as well is always nice to have. So there you go, you can have the blind. You can also have it does also open the panoramic sunroof. Like that. As you can see, it's not really the weather for it, it's starting to drizzle, but really nice to have. On them sunny days, you can get that sort of convertible feel on the car, and it just adds a lot of light into the cabin as well. Thanks for watching this video, and if you do have any questions about this car, please do not hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help. We hope to see you soon.